Welcome to the Trend Market Update Report for March 2012. March, of course, signified the end of the first quarter, so we're going to go over some first quarter year-to-date results. Sales closed transactions were 12.5% ahead of 2011 and were the highest Q1 sales since 2008. The Q1 sales were on a pace for almost 58,000 sales this year, which is very close to the level that we had in 2009. We're even ahead of 2010 when the tax credit was in effect for the first half of the year. Now, certainly the mild weather in January and February contributed to the strong first quarter showing, but there were also indications that the housing market is beginning to turn around. Lenders are beginning to ease up on some of the credit restrictions, and the economy, though it's not robust, seems to be gaining some strength with the creation of jobs. While the closed sales were very encouraging, even better news can be found in the pending sales. Pending sales were 26% above the 2011 level. And of course, the increase in pendings indicates continued strength in closed transactions for the next couple of months. So we're really off to a good, strong start. Distressed sales continue to be a significant part of our market, though not nearly as bad as throughout the rest of the country. Overall, the U.S. has been around 35% of all closed transactions being distressed. Here at Trend, we're about 20%. We've been running at 20% for really quite a while now. We've been very consistent in that. Only Kent and Newcastle counties are really above the national level. They're running at around 40% of all sales being distressed. With that, though, we've been so consistent with the distressed sales, it's pretty obvious that for the foreseeable future, distressed sales are going to continue to be a significant part of our market. And that's probably going to go for the next couple of years anyway. We began to send monthly reports to the associations, which compared the U.S. housing data to our local data, both throughout the Trend region as well as by counties. These reports are going to be sent shortly after the report from the National Association of Realtors is released, which is usually around the 25th of the month. So look for those three-year associations, and it compares, again, the U.S. data as reported by NAR to our local data. For just the March results, check the home page for the article on the market update. And also the market history report and market snapshot have been updated, and March is available on those. We also have a link to the Market Watch report for the first quarter. That's the quarterly report that replaced the Economic and Market Watch that used to be produced by NAR. So we have the first quarter results already posted, and look for those on the home page. Thanks for joining us, and join us again next month when we'll report on April results.